You know, in life, it matters what happens to you, good or bad. But what matters more is how you react to that. Anything can happen to anyone. The lightning can come, 4 terrorists can come inside and start and start firing. So what? It can happen. The question is this: each one of us will react differently. What decides or determines is that this thing, how you react to a situation, is more important for a society, for this thing. When the time when Swamiji came, as Swamiji was there and he was giving his preaching and others, what happened was beyond him. Britishers had come, we were slaves, we were having this thing like that. Many people reacted to them in a different way. Like some people became very subservient, a good number of people supported them, a good number of people joined their armies, which were known as the native armies, and started crushing the other states like Jhansi and princely states and others, and helped them in enslaving India. The British soldiers were a very small number. The large number of them were from our this thing, our own making. But that's one thing. What impressed me most about him was this. I'm a lonely man. What is there that I can do? And then he thought, okay, let me awaken India. The response to the problem that he thought was कि क्या मैं सोए हुए भारत को जगा सकता हूं? क्या मैं इसको अपनी शक्ति को पहचानने की शक्ति दे सकता हूं? When he said and when this thing like that is, पुराना धर्म ये कहता था कि जो ईश्वर में विश्वास नहीं करता वो नास्तिक है. नया धर्म ये कहता है नास्तिक वो है जो स्वयं में विश्वास नहीं करता. In that situation, nobody else could have thought. And I tell you, so I've always thought, लाइफ के अंदर में अच्छा होगा, बुरा होगा, मुसीबत आएगी, अच्छा आएगा. That is a material that's not in my hand. पता नहीं दुश्मन के हाथ में, भगवान के हाथ में, प्रकृति के हाथ में, किसके हाथ में. सवाल ये है उसमें मैं रिएक्ट कैसे करूंगा, उसकी तैयारी.